LF is up 8.24%. This is Friday, the 10th of October, 2025, pre-market session. Intraday high, $14.77. So this 8.24% is on top of the gain it printed in the last session. That of yesterday, the 9th. The extrapolation is also saying that today it should be strong, and that is exactly what we're looking at right now. There's a good chance this 8.24% or even higher may hold by the time today's trading session closes. As a matter of fact, it's actually saying that it will also remain strong up till the close of Monday, the 13th. And then after that, we may have a contraction that may ultimately lead to a contraction going all the way towards Thursday, the 13th of November. In terms of projections, we have 18.42. Current price is 14.71. Okay, 18.42. Below that, we have 16.99, and then 14.67. Yeah, okay. So price pressure momentums are the 10 and 21 day moving average. As a matter of fact, up till its 200-day moving average, they are all trending. Okay, the 10-day moving average is trending. However, the first derivative has a fractional value indicating that there's pointing out what you probably already know. Profit taking is going on within this strength that it's currently showing. So let's have a look at its 200 period moving average. Okay, we're just going to leave this since it's not active at the moment. But we've just taken what we have there. It hasn't, even though nothing has really changed, because it has added more gains. But let's not read a lot of meaning into that. Let's concentrate on the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart is active right now, and the derivatives of its 10 and 21 period moving averages are robustly trending. No fractional values. It doesn't mean also that profit taking is not going on. So the strength that is currently at play is likely to remain in place with likely to remain in place, but accumulatively, with a contractive bias to the upside. So it's going to maintain the current levels, but with a slight bias to the upside, going all the way towards, I would say, going all the way towards Thursday, the 16th of October. Projections on this 4-hour chart is not saying anything beyond the current price. It has a downward projection of $13.6. This is just the prevailing projection as things stand right now, but previously it may have had more ambitious projections there. You can see here, as of the 26th of August, they had 14.63, 16.93, 18.35, and indeed has downward projections as low as 6.86, 7.35, 8.16, even 5.70, 4.79, 4.93, 5.16. Let's see what we have here. 3.96. Yeah. So it's good that we are also aware of those downward projections. So the stock is currently trending. Let's see what's going on.
TeraWulf WLUF is heating up on retail and institutional radars alike as buzz around a potential short squeeze grows louder. Traders and investors are pointing to elevated short interest, heavy call option activity, and rising institutional ownership as potential ingredients for a volatility-fueled breakout. The conversation accelerated following recent disclosures showing a significant financial endorsement and increased stake from Alphabet Inc., which many in the market interpret as a signal of growing confidence in TeraWulf's strategic shift. This move comes at a pivotal moment for the company, as it transitions beyond its roots in Bitcoin mining to position itself as a key player in AI and high-performance computing infrastructure. Unlike many legacy miners, TeraWulf operates zero-carbon energy facilities, drawing from hydropower and nuclear energy. This gives the company a strategic edge in the AI infrastructure race, where energy availability and sustainability are becoming decisive factors for hyperscalers and enterprise clients. The community is also speculating about future partnerships or collaborations involving advanced clean energy nuclear reactor technology, which could strengthen the company's ability to deliver low cost, high density compute power at scale. As discussions intensify across trading forums, many retail investors are drawing comparisons to other AI related infrastructure stocks that have experienced explosive revaluations after announcing strategic pivots. Some are pointing to short interest and call open interest data, suggesting that any bullish catalyst, such as new AI hosting agreements, earning surprises, or expansion updates, could spark a sharp upward move as shorts rush to cover. Institutional accumulation is also being closely watched. A growing number of funds have reportedly taken or increased positions in TeraWulf, fueling the narrative that smart money is positioning ahead of a potential inflection point. In the broader context, the convergence of AI, energy infrastructure, and data center demand has created one of the most powerful investment narratives of 2025. TeraWulf's combination of scalable clean energy assets, existing operational capacity, and AI focused strategy positions it as a potential high beta play in this rapidly expanding sector. For some traders, this sets the stage for a classic short squeeze setup: high short interest, bullish institutional flow, AI narrative tailwinds, and speculation of upcoming catalysts. While others caution that execution risks remain, momentum driven investors are increasingly framing WLUF as a stock with asymmetric upside if the squeeze scenario unfolds.
Okay, yeah, but I think the odds of a squeeze happening is not very high. We don't have a very high. It really doesn't have a high borrow rate. I think a high borrow rate is one of the most immediate catalysts for a short squeeze. It is usually one of the most immediate, and the odds of that happening to WLUF, I don't think it's quite high. I don't think it's quite high enough. Short interest will be there. Short sellers may be getting squeezed from time to time, but for a short squeeze, okay. Well, when I'm talking about a short squeeze, I have in mind, I'm talking about the ones that will take it up triple digits. But no, but they do happen, as a matter of fact. So if you're talking about the sort of squeeze we've seen with the stocks, the likes of GameStop, where we don't see triple digit gains of late. The latter squeezes they've had, there's just double digits and all that stuff, So yeah, if it's that sort, it can always happen at various times, and but if it's the sort of squeeze that will take it to break out to triple digit gains and those and they're like, maybe not. High short interests, high call open interests. Yes, they may from time to time lead to gamma squeezes where market makers are buying stocks to make sure their positions are covered. You know, yeah. But the odds of that happening, a major squeeze, not really. But yeah, so from time to time, short sellers may be caught out. They may find it difficult to close their positions that we do. But I really doubt if it's going to be, yeah, any major squeeze as such. But any stock that has a decent amount of short interest will always attract retail hands. Yeah, so that's what's going on. Just have a look, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.